The Aston Martin DB11 is a standout coupé, offering a sportier edge compared to its rivals. The V8 version excels as a long-distance cruiser with impressive performance and a beautifully crafted interior. It's a great choice for those seeking a thrilling drive. The DB11 V8, introduced in 2017, offers sharper handling and a lighter front end than the V12. Aston Martin's engineers addressed previous flaws, resulting in a more stable and responsive ride. The V8's throttle response and torque provide real-world pace, though it lacks the V12's iconic sound. Inside, the DB11 offers comfort with an adjustable driver's seat and steering wheel. The interior features hand-stitched leather and genuine metal accents, enhancing its luxury feel. However, visibility can be challenging due to low seating and thick windscreen pillars. Front space is ample, but rear seats are best for luggage, not passengers. The boot is compact, fitting small items better than larger ones. For more passenger space, consider alternatives like the Mercedes S-Class Coupe. The DB11 is costly with high insurance and service expenses. However, its predicted value remains strong over 3 years. Standard features include leather seats, climate control, and a 360-degree camera. Safety features are basic, lacking modern aids like automatic emergency braking.